Hey folks, welcome to week 16. Okay, so we're going to see 3 turn-in dates this week. This is Wednesday, Friday, and then Monday the 10th. That's Monday of exam week for those of you taking on-campus classes or classes that have specific exams, okay? So, for Wednesday of this week, I want you to write your Essay 4 draft and submit it, okay? There's a sample there you can take a look at. Feel free to take a look at that. Then there's a self-review. So what I'm going to do is, at that point, I'm going to move your essay over to Google Docs. I'll try to do that as soon as I can after you submit Wednesday. Then it'll be in Google Docs. And so it's your self-review. I want you to look over your essay, identify places where you struggled. There's a few instructions here I want you to take a look at. So you're going to actually be the first person to add comments to your draft. And really what it's doing there is you guiding your readers to places that you think you might have concerns. Okay? Okay, so that is by Friday, self-review, and then by Monday, I'm just going to do pairs for peer review, unless I need to set up one group of 3. I will do pairs for peer review, and I want you to complete peer review on your peer's essay. There's also information down here on how to do peer review, okay? And that's for Monday. That'll happen in Google Docs. It'll also work a lot like the last time, but instead of having 4 people in a group, we'll just have 2. And you'll be largely working on addressing the things your peer laid out in his or her self-review. After Monday, I will get in there as soon as I can and give you guys feedback as well. And we'll get into the final wrap-up during exam week, which here is when the essay is going to be due.